Get a question wrong, do 3 pull-ups. Last one hanging wins. First question. What do you call a baby dog?
Puppy.
Landon, got it?
Landon?
What is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
It was on the left.
Yeah, I think Logan got that. Which bird is kept on farms instead of
Chicken.
cluck?
Rooster.
Yeah, Landon got it.
I'm not Landon. I'm
mean-
Alex.
Oh yeah, word. No, it's just rage bait. What is a group of cows called?
Moo.
Sick.
Herd.
Logan got
Said do.
it. Good answer. What do caterpillars turn into after they...
Butterfly.
Alex Platt got it. Which animal is known as man's best friend?
Dog.
I think it's Logan.
They all tied, low-key. Alright, hard one. What do you call a baby cat? Hey, he got it.